Yo, yo, yo! This is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team is called Grunt. And this is Pokemon Masters. We are doing co-op dragon type training event. And with that said, this is very hard. Master the Stern-but-Ferocious Dragon. I find the name weird. But let's do it. Let's do it. Lance, Drake, Iris. Let's do it. There are mosquitoes in my room and they're biting me. I don't like it. Very hard, guys. Very hard.
Here's everything we've got.
Here's everything we got. Another Sync Orb chance. Not sure if we can get that Sync Orb.
Get ready. Get ready. Come on.
I see the opponents or my teammates are in auto mode. Most likely.
Get ready. Go. That'll do it.
Nice. Now or never.
Well played. Keep it up.
Very nice.
Go. That'll do it. Get ready. Keep it up. We're not done yet.
Oh boy. Oh boy. No.
Let's do this. Come on.
Potion. Myself.
Go.
Oh boy, we didn't get that Sync Orb again. It's okay. And with that said, that was very hard, guys. Finished
Excellent.
with
Victory is
Lance and Rayquaza. So guys, you can, if you haven't played the Legendary event, guys, you can get a Rayquaza for free. Don't forget to do that. Rayquaza is a tough character to use, but it's pretty strong. Pretty strong, guys. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. Overcome the Surging Sea Dragon. Why are the names so weird? I'll see you guys there anyway. Rawr.